their space. Maybe they're downsizing and they need some extra room. Now, horizontal space is at a premium, but vertical space usually goes wasted. Why not bring in a Cella 3-tier oak wood collapsible rolling kitchen cart? The only thing not included here, Jen Kovich, are the wheels.
Yes.
I mean, they're included.
They're included, but they're not assembled.
They're
That's
not assembled. So if you can screw in a light bulb, you can screw on the wheels. This is simple, it's easy, and holds lots of weight and becomes that extra table or workspace that you need in your house.
Yeah, absolutely. We are loving this. So we introduced this last year. You and I launched it, and it sold out. What we've done a little differently this time is we've beefed it up even more. So we're giving you a higher weight capacity. You've never seen this before. It is beautiful. It is brilliant. You're still getting those 2 locking casters as well as the 360 locking casters, making it easy for you to take from room to room, space to space. We even give you a locking top, so that way you can keep that butcher block right in its place. And it couldn't be easier for folding this away. If you want to tuck it away when guests arrive or what have you, or not using it, you can easily do that.
Now, I need to let you know that we only have 700 of each color. And we'll talk about the color. We have black and we have glacier gray. End of story. But if you are looking to pick this up, ordinarily this is $159.99 at retail. Call it 160 bucks.
Right.
We're at $99.98 and free ship.
Wow.
You're saving a lot of money, and you're saving the money on free ship whether you order 1 or 10.
Right, it's on free ship. That's awesome.
Yeah, everything is on free ship in the cook and food category through the end of day today. So everybody is looking at this and saying, wow, I can make quick work of this.
Yes.
I can use this for a microwave stand. I can use this as a bar cart. I can use this outside. No, we don't want you to leave it in the weather.
Right, absolutely. Yeah.
But if you want to take it out to the barbecue with fresh meats that you want to barbecue, sure.
Absolutely. I love that you're getting that oak wood top, which has a 150-pound weight capacity. So as you see here, this could be your chopping station, just your where are you putting your extra dishes station, your coffee station, your bar cart. If you want to create a really nice bar cart situation, what you have in front of you, David, could also be the mobile office workspace. You can go room to room, and then when guests arrive, you want to tuck it away, put it in a closet, you can absolutely do that. But as we go down here, think about all those heavier items. The, even the Le Creuset. If you're a Le Creuset collector or a Temptations collector, those are some heavier pieces. You can absolutely put them on top with the KitchenAid, but you can also store them on the 2 lower shelves, which has a 110-pound weight capacity in and of themselves. So that's over 300 pounds that this is actually going to hold. 370 pounds total, in fact, because you get 110, 110, and then 150 on the top. 370-pound weight capacity.
And we recommend that you don't cut on this top portion. Put a cutting board on top of it.
Yeah.
Now, does it mean you can't cut on it? No.
Right.
But does it mean you'll scar it? Yes.
Yes.
So put another cutting board on top of this and then do your food prep. This is great for people who need, boy, if I just had a bigger island in my kitchen. Or if they live in an efficiency apartment and they're thinking, boy, I need an extra workspace for those days when I work or school from home.
Yes.
This is ideal.
This is ideal for so many uses. Even this, the microwave station. You know, my dad has an industrial size a sealer that he uses this for. He literally puts it on top. It's about 150 pounds in of itself. This holds it beautifully. He has all of his storage bags underneath. And then what I also love is that we even give you that towel bar on the side. Everything you could possibly need to kind of get this working for you in your space. Over here you see this bar cart. Load it up. You don't have to worry about the heavy bottles. Will it hold them? Yes, it will.
May I interrupt you just quickly to say that the only color differentiation is the color of the metal. We have black and we have, what do we call that?
Glacier gray.
Glacier gray. Now, if you want black, $550 left. You want glacier gray, $675 left. And at retail, $100 and is it $59?
I believe so, yes.
$59.99. 160, I mean, we're a penny shy of 160. We're at $99.98 and free ship.
Can I show you some exciting features about this, David? So first and foremost, as David already told you, the only assembly that you have to do when you get this at home is putting those casters on. You get 2 of those locking casters and they all go 360 with ease, beautifully done, and I just absolutely love those. Put the 2 locking casters on the same side so that way when you really want that stability, you don't have to worry about that. What I also love is you get those 2 shelves. You have the bottom and of course that middle shelf, both with the 110-pound weight capacity. While I have you here, I want to show you how they lock into place. You just simply lift this up, fold it down, and then that's how you'll lift up that those two shelves. Now I want to pop up here really quick though, because I also want to show you a new feature on this one. We're giving you a lock for that top. So the previous model did not have this. Now you have that lock for the top, meaning that butcher block is not going to go anywhere on you. You just simply pull that forward and then lift the top over to the side, and that's how you tuck it away. I like to pull up from the bottom, and look at how easy that is. So I can tuck this away in a closet,
simple.
between the wall and the refrigerator, between a couple cabinets, wherever you have a slender space.
When you're not using it, you get all this space back.
Yes.
And when you do need it, you've got it. But when you don't need it, it collapses down this flat and goes between maybe the washer or the dryer, or in that little area between the refrigerator and the wall, where nothing else fits. This is really, really remarkable. And if you want the black choice, we have fewer than 400. If you want glacier gray, we only have 600 to go around. So this is the black, this is the glacier gray. They're both identical, except that they have different colors.
Exactly, different colors, but they do the same thing. Again, look how easy it is to tuck away. You unfold it, you simply lock all of those pieces together, and then you can load it up. 150-pound weight capacity on that top oak wood butcher block is brilliant. As David had mentioned, you probably want to put a nice cutting board on top, just because you simply don't want to score this, as it is a true piece of furniture, excuse me. But use it for so many different things, taking it out to the barbecue, having it next to your space, where you're putting your meats, where are you putting your utensils.
Your table with it.
Oh, I love that.
Maybe you've got an area of your home where the dining room is maybe a fair distance from the kitchen, and you've hired some help to help you with a big dinner party.
Right.
Okay, that's great. This is a bussing table.
Yes.
And now as they come around, the table is on wheels, so it gets pushed around the table, and then all the glasses get collected.
Right.
Or the dinner plates get collected. Or the dessert plates get distributed. Because you can come from the kitchen with clean dishes on this too. This is smart.
This is smart. I love this. I mean, how many of us can possibly say, oh, I have plenty of space. I don't really need something like that. I know I can. I always need extra workspace, especially when it comes to entertaining, especially when it comes to meal prep. And keeping my items, rather than I don't have the countertop space for them, but putting our KitchenAid mixer right on top, putting our Le Creuset underneath, it's just smart.
You know what else we have? We have something called a VIP savings event.
Oh.
You can save up to, is it 20% off one item when you use Thank You VIP as your promo code.
Yeah, this is the one.
Yeah. So you could take an extra 20% off this.
Yeah.
Not this. Up to $20. That's the maximum.
Right.
So why not save some extra money?
Yeah, absolutely.
Why not go ahead and save some extra dough? If this is the only item you're buying all day, then utilize that promo code.
It's girl math. You get 20% off, you get free shipping. So the way I look at it is with my husband, I'm like, but I got so much for free.
I got so much for free.
So much for free.
So much for free. Hey, Jen Kovich, it's good to see you. Is
Good
it
to
still
see you
snowing
too.
outside?
It is still snowing outside.
Oh,
yeah.
boy. Well,
I'm sorry.
slow going home.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
When I get home, I'm going to sugar up the fire,
Yes.
turn up the heat,
Yeah. Make a cup of hot tea.
and or something, and something that's going to warm me up. Nice to see you, friend.
Good to see you.
Be careful going home.